You've made the decision to list your house for sale, but you don't know where to begin or start in preparing your house to sell. Here is a list of things that you can go over whether you do it yourself or you choose to hire someone else to do it for you. The first step is to eliminate your belongings, whether you're going to put them in storage or you just need to host a yard sale and sell a lot of your belongings. The yard sale could come in handy because that can end up funding any expenses that accrue when you're getting ready to make repairs on your home. The next step is to organize. This part is very important because not only you want to organize your room, but you're also going to want to organize drawers and closets, because when your home is being toured, the buyer is going to open those drawers and they're also going to open those closets. The next one is repairs. These can be large repairs or simple repairs such as changing out a light bulb. The next one is paint. So if you cannot afford to paint your house into its entirety, like the outside of your home, you can even paint and give a fresh paint job to your front door. But just be cautious of the color that you are painting your home. You want to make sure it falls under good feng shui. Painting is also important to help depersonalize certain rooms. So if you have a children's bedroom that is a bright blue color, make sure to use this time and paint it a more neutral color. Power washing. This kind of goes hand in hand with painting. You would be very surprised on what a great power washing job on the outside of your home makes your house look brand new. Biggest part of power washing I highly suggest is to make sure you're power washing your driveway to get rid of any of the oil spills that has been staining your driveway. Because when your real estate agent is going to be marketing your home, the front of your home is going to be the catch-all for any buyer. So if they see that stained driveway, that could be an eyesore. And besides power washing, another thing is cleaning the exterior. This includes your gutters, cleaning out your windows, and your window screens. For gutters, you can either do it yourself or hire someone else to go out and clean out your gutters for you, depending on how tall or risky it is. This is really important to go ahead and just go and do it because it will be pointed out in buyer inspections. And of course, you're going to want to deep clean the inside of your home. Most people end up hiring a company to do it. That way it can get done in just a couple of hours. But what you're going to want to do is make sure you are deep cleaning your rugs, carpets, and you are mopping the floors and dusting in very hard to reach areas. The next is staging. Now, there's different ways that you can go about on staging. You can either hire a professional and they would come in and stage your home with their furniture that they have, or they could even come in and give you a consultation to see what you could do with your own furniture, or even mix it up together, some of theirs, some of yours. But some great tips to get that started is you're going to want to rearrange your furniture to make each room look bigger. You're also going to want to remove anything that is personalized. Your family photos, any signs that says your family's last names or your children or your own names. That way it gives the buyers some space to be able to imagine them living in that house. This also goes for linen. You're going to want to make sure you select neutral colored linen. So if your favorite color was bright blue and you had a bright blue linen bed, try to reach for a more neutral color. And the most important step is be ready to let go of your home emotionally. This is the hardest step. Easier said than done. You just have to know that the next person that's going to be purchasing your home is going to love and put so much love into your home and create new memories with themselves, their friends, and family.